Did you know that when a cat's fur stands up, it's using a special trick? Last part will surprise you. Cats have tiny muscles called erector pili that make their fur stand up when they're scared or excited. This makes them look bigger and scarier to threats. Here is a bonus tip for you. If you don't groom your cat, expect fur everywhere and an unhappy kitty. So keep your home clean and your feline friend happy by using this cat brush. It's easy to use and perfect for all coat types. Buy link in the comment. Plus, the fluffy fur traps air, keeping them warm when it's cold, so